Number one, last 24 hours. You know, I see students until the last night, they are trying to read the book, do some practice questions. And I always say that if you could not learn or do something in 60 days, what this one day or one night will make difference? It will not make any difference. 24 hours, you should stay away from the books. Maybe for you people, it is 12 hours. Some people, they say, okay, 12 hours before the book. And some people are even stuck to the book on the way to the examination hall. They are trying to do something, not really a good idea. Imagine if you have, some football match or some cricket match tomorrow. Do you still go to do the net practice and field practice before exam, before that day? I mean, you have a match at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, you have got a match. And, in the morning at 10 o'clock, you are in the field doing some practice. It will kill you. You will become tired. Now, because this is football or cricket, so you feel that, oh, physically, I will get tired. My friends, you get physically tired, you also get mentally tired. So don't tire yourself mentally. You should, what you do in last 24 hours, you should compose yourself. You should regain energy and you should think about your match strategy. How am I going to, perform in that exam? Which questions I'm going to start with? You should, because thought process is also something very important, So last 24 hours, only thinking and planning and relaxing. Put yourself in a relaxed mode. Last 24 hours, you cannot make much difference. The only difference now in last 24 hours is by having a better approach. Your knowledge level will not change. Trust you me. In last 24 hours, your knowledge level not change. You will not become a different person with a different level of competence. Your competence and capability will remain same. Last 24 hours, what can you change? Yes, what difference you can make is by approach. So in last 24 hours, you should be thinking and planning, okay? Very important. Let me say it like this. Again, a sin. Two things I have called sins, which I actually do not like. One was this answer auditing. I hate this thing. These are the two sins. And everybody is doing it. And that is why 50% of the people, they fail in such easy exams.